Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast here, and we have a pretty interesting forecast tomorrow morning, largely to the south. Um, it is interesting because of the evolution of this system. It's not a lot of snow, but the timing is terrible. The rain changing to snow issue for pre-treatment is terrible, and the temperatures dropping below freezing during the event and not recovering during the day on Thursday is also terrible. So we have three pretty major pieces here that are pretty ominous with this storm. And you know, the biggest thing us as meteorologists try to avoid is nobody paying attention, and then tomorrow morning we have 1,000 accidents because people didn't expect it. When in reality, we've been talking about it, right? So I'm hitting this as hard as possible today. I'd rather overdo it than underdo it, right? So I'm going to go through it, and if you have questions, just let us know. We're happy to kind of explain. So we'll start here with the, actually, you know what? I'm going to start here with the radar. Today, a couple snow showers. It's a warmer day. Really not too much going on. You can argue that there is a decent bit of southwesterly flow today, leading to wind gusts 20 to 40. In the higher elevations, 15 to 30 for the rest of us. But the temperatures here, like I said, pretty darn warm for January 19th. This is 8 p.m. tonight. It's 37 to 41 along the coast. It's 30 to 37 inland. So it's a pretty warm night for January. But watch what happens here. You can see clear as day. This is around 2 a.m. where the cold front is. It's right here. Right in here. 20s and teens to the north. 30s to near 40 to the south. There's your cold front. And what do you know? That's where our precip is, right? Take a look. Should be right in here. There it is. So initially, overnight tonight, this is again at 2 a.m. Temperatures are warm along the coast. We've got some snow showers inland. No big deal. A couple inches of fluffy snow possible in the heavy or highest of elevations. But as this thing approaches the coast, there's going to be a little follow-up wave. You can see it here in parts of West Virginia and Southwest PA, showing up here around 4 a.m. Meanwhile, again, it's a few showers along the coast. Again, rain amounts here are, a tenth or so. So it's going to be a situation where initially we do have some rain. But as that colder air works in, here's 7 a.m. Notice we've turned over to snow from Boston to the Connecticut coast to New York to Philly. Temperatures at 7 a.m. look like this. It's 35 in Philly, it's 35 in New York, it's 32 in Boston. So temperatures are still above freezing at this time, so you might be going out thinking, all right, we're good, temps are warm, we're going to have a great day. Well, temperatures are actually peaking around this time, and you notice, let's fast forward 3 hours. 8, 9, 10. All of a sudden, it's 32 in Philly, 28 in New York, and 32 in Boston. And it's snowing. So we're going to see this precipitation start as rain, change to snow, come down pretty good tomorrow morning for a time, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, somewhere in that range. And then it's going to push away between about 11 a.m. north and west and 3 p.m. south and east. So again, you're going to look at the amount of snow here and you're going to say, Ed, what the heck are you freaking out about? We live in New England. We live in the mid-Atlantic. We can handle 1 to 3 inches of snow. Great. I agree. But again, the importance here is the timing of it during the morning, the drop below freezing as it's occurring, and the fact, again, if it does snow, there's a risk here that we don't have the ability to really pre-cheat because of the rain prior. So that's all I'm getting at there. You notice the new run is a little further north, but it's discombobulated. It's a coating to 3 inches across the region. So it's not a ton of snow. This is not a big deal from a snow perspective, but the timing, like I said, is problematic here. And a small shift south and east, this time tomorrow, you're going to say, Ed, that was no big deal. But if it verifies as such, there is going to be a refreeze. There's going to be an accumulation of light snow, and it's going to come after a period of rain. Okay, so with that said, take a look at the afternoon and evening hours. Notice by 10 p.m., it's 17 in Boston, it's 19 in New York, and it's 21 in Philly. So all of a sudden, we've gone from well above freezing during the morning to near freezing late morning. And by 10 p.m., it's cold. Everything's going to lock up. So we got to make sure everything's cleared and any residual water has been treated because we are going to have a freeze tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So that takes us through Thursday night. Again, not a huge snow event, but enough to be problematic, and a small shift could make a big difference either way. Right now, Friday, a little ocean effect snow on Cape Cod, otherwise a dry day, a cold day, but a dry day. And as we head into the weekend, you're going to notice here, again, the European has that snow risk. Cleared out for Friday. We're in good shape. And we've been talking about this Friday night to Saturday storm for a while. It's continuing to look like it's going to stay off the coast. However, you notice late Friday night into Saturday morning, our friends along the coast at least have to continue to watch this. Why? Because you see the east coast of Massachusetts, a little onshore flow, Long Island, central South Jersey. It's coating to 3 inches of snow. Again, nothing. Philly, New York, Metro West. Nothing. Nothing northern New England. However, again, if this shifts even 50 miles north, obviously that changes, right? So we'll continue to watch it. Right now, not a big deal, but the southeast areas that watch these videos will have at least something to watch for here Friday night into Saturday morning. And then beyond that, it's a cold, but it looks like a drier pattern coming up with only a couple quick moving systems. So you're going to notice a cold Sunday, Monday, but then Monday night into Tuesday morning, a weak area of snow moving through. You see this, a coating to 1 inch on the European. You look on the GFS. Of course, it's the wrong time. Let me press forward there. It's actually a little different. You know, the GFS is a little bit more robust with that system Tuesday, Wednesday. So there's going to be opportunities. But again, it's fast moving. You see the Canadian around that time. Again, just a little bit of light snow in parts of the mid-Atlantic Monday night into Tuesday. And then most of the weekend's up dry and chilly. So no major storms on the horizon here over the next, let's say, week. But again, we got the Thursday morning situation and then whatever Friday night to Saturday offers. And then a couple quick moving systems early next week. Have a great day and we'll talk to you tomorrow.